So it's recording right now.
Peter, can I?
And when it's done, you just press that button to shoot again, and then it'll stop. So we can come film it over here.
When you do it, you gotta put some up here so that you see it. Have some down here too. Okay, let's go. Help me out, guys.
Okay, start! Start! Dig it!
Don't get none in his face.
What are you gonna leave out? You just gonna put it on his body?
Yeah, just leave it inside out.
His whole body. They're right there!